Come test drive this 2016 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 80,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.